Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I want to tell you about Aqua Danone company profile. Okay. Before continue, let me introduce myself. My name is Hedika Wahyu Yustian. You can call me Dika, and my name number 442218881. I am from class 44 5C to 37. Okay. Okay. For the first, I want to tell you about company profile. Aqua founded in 1973. Yeah. Aqua Group is the pioneer of bottled drinking water (EMDK) in Indonesia, which then established a strategic partnership with Danone in 1998. Aqua Group brings the mission of experience Indonesian about healthy hydration. Aqua Group products healthy, scientifically accountable bottled drinking water and not carbonated soft drink. Aqua Group applies the non-values which reflect unique business vision and techniques. The values humanist, openness, proximity, and attentions are forest and continually influence in our employees to direct the company toward a better direction. Their values also guide in each of the company decision making and professional perspective. As a manifesto of its vision and commitment to responsible management of its operation, Aqua developed Aqua Listery initiated routes back to idea from Danone founder himself, a joint revolt about dual commitment, prioritizing the balance between business and social success. The dual commitment is also aligned with the idea from Aqua founder Tirto Utomo, EA. That business sold gives social contribution. Aqua Lestari initiative is operated by establishing partnership with employees and stakeholder. Okay, for the next, and this is a vision mission of Aqua. The vision is one planet, one health, and our mission to provide health to food and drink to as many people as possible. For the next, this is a organization structure. For the first, Aqua has a RUPS, Dewan Komisaris, Executive Committee, President Director, and the President Director to Finance, Human Resource, General Secretary, Sales Operation, Sales Strategy Planning, Operation, Marketing, and Research Innovation. Okay. For the next, nah, it is a company history. In the 109,073, Tirto Utomo founded PT Golden Mississippi as the first pioneer of bottled drinking water company in Indonesia. This plant was established in Pondok Ungu, Bekasi. Nah, for the next in 190,075, Aqua launched a 90-liter gallon packaging product which does not yet exist in Indonesia. And for the next, in 2000, Aqua Group placed Danone logo on all Aqua products. In 2011, Aqua Group launched Aqua Home Service or AHH program. This year, Aqua Group also launched the Mulai Hidup Sehat Dari Sekarang campaign. In the 2013, Aqua Solar Plant began operating and Aqua Group reached its 40th year of operation and launched a new logo. Okay, from the next to the company story. From 2020, Aqua, as a part of Danone Indonesia, provides assistance in handling COVID-19 by providing more than 152 vaccination centers in 28 cities in Indonesia. For the next, in 2022, for the fifth time, Aqua received the Gold Proper Award. Apart from that, Danone Aqua launched the Aqua Cube 2020. Millie. Okay, for the last, in 2013, Aqua continues the hashtag Aqua Dulu campaign to increase Indonesian people awareness of drinking now water and comparing Aqua as a quality EMDK company that is already 50 years old. Okay, to the next, Aqua have a 5 product. For the first, Aqua bottle, Aqua cube, Aqua life, Aqua gallon, and Aqua reflection. Nah, it is a product project by Aqua. Aqua collaboration between Danone Aqua, government, and religious leaders to make Indonesia plastic waste free. Okay. In an effort to support the government to reduce plastic waste leakage, Danone Aqua, in collaboration with TKL and UNDP Indonesia through Gradasi, held a religious dialogues synergy partnership to realize sustainable waste management, which was recently held. This dialogue aimed to raise awareness of the Indonesian people to religious reader about the importance of managing waste for environmental sustainability. Nah, the expertise of employees. Number one, at Danone, we work with a mission to bring health, talk food, and drink to community. Okay, for the two, expertise in quality control, food safety standard, and problem solving in product quality. And the last, skill in operating machinery and maintaining high production standard. Okay, for the next, I want to tell about what are the benefits of working with Aqua. Yeah, Viti Aqua is one of the most trusted bottled water brand in Indonesia with a long-standing reputation. Partnering with a well-known brand adds credibility and trust the business partner. PT Aqua consistently invests in research and development to ensure high product quality and meet customer preference. Partner benefit from high quality products that are competitive in the market. Aqua possesses strong technological infrastructure and operational management, which can help partner improve efficiency and reliability. This includes support in logistics, supply chain technology, and digital platform. Okay, for the next achievement by Aqua. In the 2020, Aqua get the Proper Gold Award for 2 Danone Aqua plants and Proper Gate Award for 8 Danone Aqua plants from the Ministry of Environment and Forestry. For the next, in the 2021, Aqua get the best company for the work in Asia. And the last, in 2022, Inclusive, Inclusive Recycling Indonesia gets the Indonesia CSR Award 2023. Danone Indonesia gets an award in the food and beverage sector from the economics. And for last time, Aqua have a contact person. And the number one is a social media Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and call center. Nah, okay, that was the company profile of Aqua. Thank you for the listening. Okay, let's continue to part 2. I want to tell you about company Starbucks. Okay, for the first, I want to tell you about the company. Our story began in 1971. Back then, we were a roaster and retailer of whole bean and ground coffee, tea, and spaces with a single store in the Sito Pickle Pace Market. Today, we are privileged to connect with millions of customers every day with exceptional products and more than 2,900 retail stores in 78 markets. Starbucks have a boycott issue. Boycott issue is the Israel-Palestine boycott has indeed had a negative effect on Starbucks. However, that's not the only problem faced by this coffee franchise giant. Mm, Starbucks is the one of the brand US brand that has faced blacklist for being accused of being affiliated with Israel. The coffee chain blamed misinformation for its view after issuing a public statement condemning violence in a region. Nah, and this is clarification from Starbucks. He used bahasa. Pertanyaan Starbucks Corporation, fakta tentang Starbucks di Timur Tengah. Melihat situasi global yang sedang terjadi saat ini, Starbucks Indonesia turut berduka cita dan menyatakan simpati yang terdalam bagi mereka yang menjadi korban, terluka, terlantar, dan terkena dampak akibat aksi yang keji. Kami dengan tegas menyatakan tidak mendukung tindakan yang mengandung kebencian dan kekerasan. Sepenuhnya mendukung usaha perdamaian di dunia, serta berkomitmen untuk terus memberikan Starbucks experience terbaik kepada semua konsumen. Aspirasi kami adalah menjadi perusahaan yang positif, berinvestasi pada kemanusiaan dan kesejahteraan semua orang yang terhubung dengan kami, mulai dari partner, petani kopi, hingga pelanggan kami, dan seterusnya. So, it is a clarification from Indonesia Starbucks Corporation. Okay, for the next, apologies from Indonesia Starbucks. We are aware of recent call to boycott Starbucks based on misinformation circulating online. We want to take this opportunity to address this concern directly and assure our customer that Starbucks remain committed to our core values, creating an inclusive environment, supporting local communities, and treating everyone with dignity and respect. We apologize if there has been any confusion or misunderstanding regarding our company politics or action. Starbucks has always priority fostering a welcoming space for all, and we are unwavering in a support for diversity, sustainability, and community well-being. We remain committed to open dialogue with our customer and community, as your trust is definitely important to us. Thank you for continued support and for giving us the opportunity to clarify our position. We look forward to continuing to serve you with the integrity and carry you experience from Starbucks. Okay. And our promise from Starbucks Coffee Indonesia, at Starbucks, we are dedicated to providing and welcoming and inclusive environment for everyone. No matter what, no matter who you are or where you come, we promise to uphold our core values of respect, inclusivity, and community support, creating a space where I feel safe and valued. We do not endorse support of ally with any action or movement that fosters division or target any community. Starbucks remains committed to staying neutral in matters that call deserve to harmony we strive for to foster in our stories and the communities we serve. We understand that our role is to provide a place where people come together, enjoy the great coffee, and share meaningful experience. We thank you for trusting us to uphold these values, and we look forward for serving you with me integrity and respect that you expect from Starbucks. Okay, maybe that's what I can give. Please apologize if there are still many words that are not right in the conversation. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.